What's up, guys? It's Troy Scott here with Artificial Grass Marketing. Just out here on a Monday, kicking out. Started 14 jobs today. Super busy. We're out here in California, so the drought's doing all kinds of stuff. But you can see the yard's kind of busy. Anyway, let's go inside and take a look at a marketing machine that you guys are gonna have access to that we're building. But first, I'm gonna show you what we do at Heavenly Greens. All right? See you in a minute. All right, so hey guys, just hopped off that forklift, and here we are looking at the dashboards inside Salesforce. And as you can see, we have built some really amazing custom data points here where we can actually track our ROI based on pay-per-click advertising, what the general internet delivers to us, organic year-to-date traffic by month, revenue, right? So super cool in how the payments have been made. But this didn't just happen. We've spent literally thousands and thousands of dollars building this. This is Hubspot. So Hubspot's now showing us how many sessions we've had through our website, new contacts. This is a year over data point. So our contacts are up over last year by close to 50%, almost 100% session increase, kind of a big jump. And then our customers lag in this particular reporting field, so but that's being shown as well. And then this breaks down where our conversions are coming from, which is very powerful. And what's awesome is our bottom of the funnel, because remember, in marketing, we've got top, middle, and bottom of the funnel marketing. Top of the funnel is people getting free guides or opting into a chat sequence, something like that. And then the bottom of the funnel is where they're ready to make a buying decision. This is our pretty consistent conversion rate, 32.13%, 32%, 35%. Those are the kind of numbers we get at Heavenly Greens for bottom of the funnel conversion. More data down here, just looking at what our top blog posts are. If you think blog posting is a waste of time, there's some data for you. Massively drives organic traffic. This is our email automation, up a few percent over this time last year, but so far this year we've sent 72,000 emails, almost 73, 45% open rate, and then our click rate and click-through rate, kind of average. Emails hit and miss these days. And then we have our lead nurturing campaigns, which are all email based. And we have significant open rates because it's content that people want, right? And then as we go up to another dashboard here that I've set up for you guys, is a kind of shot of where our traffic is coming from. So organic referrals, organic social, email marketing, paid search, direct traffic, other campaigns. That might be some off platform campaigns, which are other campaigns. But you can see here where these guys have turned into, this is organic traffic, turned into customer rate, total customers, and then what our bounce rate on some of these guys are. But a lot of great data to have actionable information about. There's some cool information here called topic clusters where you can see, because HubSpot, I'm going to get geeky, HubSpot is a Google partner, and so they're able to get a lot of data and give you insight on sort of what the best search terms are out there and give you content ideas to write about them. And so the importance of being able to see where all of your traffic's coming from is another great part of the app. And you can see that we sort of built that in from this HubSpot platform. So let's move over to the next component, which is our call tracking platform. And inside that dashboard, we are looking at so far calls this year. We can see call volume is up from the last reporting period. Total duration is up from the last reporting period. And people staying on the calls are up from the last reporting period. This is just a yesterday and today panel, but you can see the bulk of our calls are coming from California, which makes a ton of sense, right? And then over here, you can see our online phone calls are leading the pack. We've got our PPC calls, our TV calls. And then what I was mentioning in another video is we're able to actually track keyword phrases, ads, AdWord campaigns, add groups, the different types of keywords that generate leads and sales. And then we can also see here, organic is producing appointments, right? We can see how many these different ad outlets are producing appointments. And then it just keeps getting more and more granular. And if I wanted to, I can go in and set up some promo numbers, which is another feature we're going to be adding to the app soon. And then I have all of these different reports. Very powerful tool to be able to see your call volume, which you're able to see in the app as well. And then literally, if you wanted to kind of go over and, let's just see, here's a website call, here's a magazine call. We just cruise over here and we hit the play button.
This call may be recorded.
And all of our calls are recorded just like the app. So from here, guys, the next video below, we're going to go over some of the features that mirror what we've built here inside of Salesforce.